Welcome. Today we're diving into one of Telegram's most private and secure features, secret chats. If you've ever wondered how to find them or check whether you already have one hidden in your chat list, this updated guide will walk you through every step clearly and simply. First things first, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, you'll land on the main screen where all your recent conversations appear. At the bottom, make sure you're in the Chats tab. This is where every personal and group message is displayed, including any secret chats you might have already started. Now, here's what you need to look for. Slowly scroll through your chat list from top to bottom and pay close attention to the contact names. You're searching for a small lock icon right next to a person's name. That little lock means that chat is a secret chat. Secret chats on Telegram are built for privacy. They use end-to-end encryption, which means messages can only be read on the devices of the people involved. Not even Telegram's servers can access them. They also don't sync between devices, so if you start one on your phone, it won't show up on your computer or tablet. That little lock is your key indicator of this special level of security. If you don't see any chat with the lock icon, it means you haven't started a secret chat yet. To create one, open a regular chat with any contact, tap their name at the top, and then look for the option that says Start Secret Chat. Once you do, Telegram will open a new private conversation window just between you and that person. And that's it, quick and simple. Now, you know exactly how to find and recognize secret chats on Telegram, and even how to begin one yourself. Stay safe, keep your conversations private, and take control of your digital security today.